2019 Toyota Tundra Diesel. With the 2017 model year, the Toyota Tundra is going on a whole decade since its last full refresh in 2007. Appeared differently in relation to its neighborhood and even import check peers, the truck is exhibiting its age. The truck got a minor inside and outside strengthen in 2014, however mechanically, little has changed since the change from the 4.7 to 4.6 liters V8 of every 2010. From the looks of these photos, it shows up Toyota has to some degree more detailed love in store for the present Tundra before an all-new model turns out, likely for 2019. The most striking change clear in these photos are LED headlights. This component taken off in the standard of Toyota models with the Corolla in 2013. Other than the LED lights and conceivably a refreshed grille, no doubt little else has changed on the 2019 Toyota Tundra Diesel. No major powertrain changes are typical until the all-new model. Toyota has said a blend version of the Tundra will come eventually. Section and Toyota at first denoted a theoretical joint meander agreed to develop a crossbreed system for full-size trucks in 2011 however split courses in 2013. We don't want to see a crossbreed 2019 Toyota Tundra until the point when the frontline indicator arrives. The present 2019 Toyota Tundra Diesel is offered with two engine decisions, the 4.6-liter V8 and the 5.7-liter V8. The two engines are long in the tooth, with the 5.7-liter backpedaling to 2007 when the second time Tundra was displayed. The 4.6-liter supplanted the 4.7-liter V8 out of 2010. A 5-speed and 6-speed modified moved down the engines, and an electronically controlled, low support for WD structure offered better balance in disagreeable conditions.